Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to upload image to Ask Gemini. I mean, not to upload, but to interact with image using Ask Gemini on your Google Chrome. Because I love this feature of Ask Gemini because I don't need to copy and paste any materials into Gemini.com or Gemini.google.com. So as you can see, if I click this add, there is no option of adding image or any file. So for this case, I will show you how to make this Ask Gemini read my image. So instead of upload image directly, you can open your image using your Google Chrome. For instance, I have this jersey image and then I drag and drop to my Google Chrome, and this is the image, and I could interact with this image through Google Chrome by clicking this Ask Gemini. See, now as Gemini already read this image through the Google Chrome tab. So for instance, I will ask Gemini what you see. I want to make sure that Gemini or this Ask Gemini has same interpretation with me. This is the Germany jersey home. And then, okay, this is the Germany, blah, 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 blah. And it's already already in one page. Me and the Gemini already one page, and then I could do refactor or anything using this Ask Gemini. So that is the tutorial how to read images on Ask Gemini feature on Google Chrome. Okay, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.